Scholars, we are wrapping up the end of the school year, and the last thing that we're going to talk about is the Articles of Confederation and the Constitution. So here are your directions. You need to read through the text, Articles of Confederation, and then answer the questions that correspond. There's a clip that you'll watch, and then you'll also play Quizlet. You're going to read through the Constitution Convention slides that I have provided for you, and then there's a decoded Bill of Rights activity that you will complete. So you're going to look at the way in which we pronounce and reference different words within the Bill of Rights in how you speak, in everyday speech, instead of the original document. There's a crossword puzzle that you will complete, and then you will complete a Kahoot, where you will take a screenshot of your score and submit it to Schoology. So the lesson itself is designed to take several class periods. That's the point. So work through this activity through Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and then you will submit your screenshot no later than Friday, May the 14th. So just to quickly look at the document itself, you will be looking at the Articles of Confederation, doing some reading on it. Here is a nice infographic that kind of summarizes everything about the Articles of Confederation. You'll answer a couple questions. You'll fill those in. You will watch this short clip, and then you will play the Quizlet activity right here where it says match the terms. You will read about the Constitutional Convention, and then you are going to decode the Bill of Rights. So this is, like I said, where the vernacular is in how we speak today. So you'll take a look at all the first 10 amendments, which we call the Bill of Rights. Take a look at each of those slides. And then there's a short video, it's 3 minutes, explaining the Bill of Rights in detail for you. Watch it. And then you're going to complete a Bill of Rights crossword puzzle activity. Once all that is said and done, you're going to test your knowledge on the Bill of Rights, and you are going to take a screenshot and submit your screenshot to me. The better that you score, the more points you earn. You can take it as many times as you want. You must earn at least 15 out of 19 on it. To get a 15 out of 19, that's a 70%, so you'll get 7 points. 16 out of 19, you'll get 8 points. 17 out of 19, 9 points. And if you get 18 or 19 out of 19, you will get 10 points. Okay, so you will click on that link. If you need to use the game pin, you will use that. And again, you will take a screenshot and submit it. That is in Schoology for you. So going back, looking at our time frame. Again, look through these directions. You're going to read about the Articles of Confederation and answer those questions. You'll watch a clip and play Quizlet. That's probably going to be 1 day's worth of work. You'll make your way through the Constitutional Convention slides and look at the Bill of Rights. That's probably 1 day of work. And then the Bill of Rights and the Kahoot is probably your 3rd day of work. So make sure you're taking your time getting these completed. If you have any questions, you can reach out via email.